In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up mini sessions on HoneyBook. To get started, go ahead and log into your HoneyBook account. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're on the main workspace where you can access your business tools easily. This setup is quick, but it helps to move carefully so all of your service details are entered correctly the first time. Next, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Services. This is the area where you manage the services you offer, and it's where your mini session will live once it's created. After the services page opens, head to the top right corner and click Add Service. That will open the form you'll use to build out your new mini session offering. Now, enter a name for your mini session service. Choose a title that's clear and recognizable, especially if you plan to use it in proposals, contracts, invoices, or booking flows later on. A simple, specific name usually works best because it helps keep your service list organized and easy to scan. After that, you have the option to upload a service image if you'd like. This part is optional, but it can make your service look more polished and visually appealing, especially if clients will see it in booking materials. If you have a relevant image ready, add it here. If not, you can always come back and update it later. Next, add a description for the mini session. This is where you can explain what the session includes, so the service is easy to understand at a glance. Keep the wording clear and client-friendly, so the details feel straightforward and professional. Then, set the service price. Be sure the amount reflects exactly how you want this mini session to appear when you use it in your HoneyBook documents and workflows. Right after that, configure the quantity and unit settings. This helps define how the service is measured and displayed, so it's worth reviewing carefully to make sure it matches the way you sell the session. Once all of that is filled in, take a moment to review the service details. This final check helps you catch anything you may want to adjust before saving. When everything looks good, click Save to create the service. After saving, verify that your mini session appears in your services list. This confirms it was added successfully and is ready to use. From there, you can use the service when creating proposals, contracts, invoices, or booking flows, making it much faster to include your mini sessions and client-facing materials. Thanks for watching.